Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood. Hello everyone, welcome to WhatsApp Bollywood. Bollywood actor Sonu Sood is in the news these days, but not for the right reasons. Ever since the corona period started, people are discussing a lot about Bollywood actor Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood has also been helping during the corona period, from oxygen to providing beds in hospital. Meanwhile, now the income tax department has started tightening the noose on Sonu Sood. Now the Mumbai income tax department is doing a survey regarding his properties. It is reported that income tax department has conducted a survey at about 6 places regarding Sonu Sood's companies. Let me tell you what is this whole matter. The news is that Sonu Sood has been accused of tax evasion. It is alleged that he evaded tax in a deal which also involved a Lucknow-based real estate company. The income tax department is also conducting a survey in this company. According to the news agency PTI, a land deal has been done between this Lucknow-based real estate company and Sonu Sood's firm, which is being surveyed by the income tax department. A source in the IT department said, a recent deal between Sonu Sood's company and Lucknow-based real estate firm is under the scanner. The survey operation has been initiated on allegations of tax evasion on this deal. The raid comes after Sonu Sood's high-profile meeting with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who declared him the brand ambassador for his government's mentorship program for school students in the capital. Later, the actor denied making any political debut with Aam Aadmi Party. AAP leader Raghav Chaddha, on the other hand, said, an IT raid on a man as upright as Sonu Sood, somebody who has been called a masiha by lakhs of people, somebody who helped the downtrodden. If a man like him can be politically targeted in a well-thought-out witch hunt, shows that the current regime is insensitive and politically insecure. Meanwhile, BJP spokesperson said in a statement, there is no relation to that. Any personality can meet anyone. It is just a search, not a raid. It's on a tip-off. It's not necessary that the person who heads the charity has done anything wrong. It must be something at the lower level. Income tax is an independent department which has its own protocol. It is doing its job. Anand Dubey, who is a Shiv Sena leader, said, I'm shocked. The way Sonu Sood has helped lakhs of people for tax people to search his properties, I don't think he can do anything illegal. To note, Sonu Sood won worldwide praise with his humanitarian work during the COVID-19 pandemic. He organized special flights for migrants stranded by the last year's lockdown, and during the second wave, he organized oxygen for COVID patients. He also runs a charitable foundation called the Sonu Charity Foundation. Well, what do you think about this whole matter? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.